Here's how you can make CENDOL. I'm in Malaysia checking out the food scene, and this dessert reminds me of Philippines' Hello Hello and Pakistan's Faluda.
Shaved ice missing.
It starts off with shaved ice and then a whole bunch of toppings.
Glutinous rice, cendol, kidney beans, sweet corn. The core ingredient, palm sugar ice cream.
Beautiful. And you make this yourself?
Yes. Okay. The coconut milk and the palm sugar.
It kind of reminds me of Hello Hello. Have you ever tried Hello Hello from Philippines?
Never here before.
No? It's just a lot of different ingredients going on, and they have ice cream, and then they top it up with the syrup and a lot of different toppings. How do I eat this?
Stir all together.
Grab a bit of everything, right? Oh, that's refreshing. What does CENDOL actually mean?
Cendol actually is pandan jelly. Actually, this dessert is similar for Malay wedding. So if you go to our local wedding, it's easy to find. This one is a refreshing dessert that they serve for the wedding.
Out of 10, what would you give this?
8.5.
I'm giving it like an 8.5, 8.6 as well. This is really good.